Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to render and export faster in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and then from here, as you can see in my timeline, I have my red indicator and my yellow indicator right here. So this red indicator means that it has not been properly rendered yet by Premiere Pro. So it would really help in the export and render time if you pre-render it right here in the timeline first. So this is great if you're taking a break from your editing, then you can just render it while you are taking a break, so that when you get back it would be much smoother in the playback and much easier to export. So to pre-render, you can just simply press enter on your keyboard while selecting in your timeline, just like so. And then as you can see, it's now rendering files, and all you have to do now is basically just wait for it to finish. And now as you can see right here, we now have a green indicator, which means that this has now been rendered by Premiere Pro, and when you export it, it will be much faster. And now let's move on to exporting our footage right here, or our video. So we're gonna go into file, and we're gonna go export, and then go into media. And now I'm gonna teach you on how you can customize your settings right here. So the easiest way would be going to your format and make sure it's H.264. If you're just uploading your video into your social media accounts or platforms, then you can go for the preset. I suggest that you go for low bit rate right here, or just the medium bit rate right here, especially if you're not in a 4K, if you're just in 1080p, or you could just go for high quality 1080p. Or you could also go for more presets right here, and you can go for YouTube, and then you can go for 1080p HD right here, and you would have everything set up for you. But if you don't want to do that, then if you want it to be a much shorter time for it to render, then you can go into video right here, go expand this video and expand this more right here, so that you can see this additional options. And then you want to make sure that you have your performance right here to be on hardware encoding, especially if you are on GPU. And then the next one is you want to go down, and then until you see the bitrate encoding, I suggest that you go for CBR for faster encoding right here. And then for the bitrate right here, if you are in YouTube and you want to upload a 1080p, then I suggest that you follow the guidelines. So in this case, as you can see right here, in 1080p, it's only 10 Mbps. Or you could go for 15 Mbps if you have a high frame rate. So in this case, we'll just go and set this into 10 right here. So you can just go and set this into 10, just like so. And just like that, you are now set for your export right here, and it would be much faster compared to other settings that you will have, and you would have a high quality one. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.